Now let's get a quick check of your Friday forecast with Chief Meteorologist Elena Rusk.
Hey, good morning, Danielle. So yes, things are very foggy out there this morning. Dense fog advisory in effect once again today. And then we have a system out in the Pacific moving on shore today, bringing us rain in the overnight hours heading into tomorrow. And we are talking about some higher elevation slushy snow as well by tomorrow morning, trying to stack on some snow for the higher elevations like Alta Sierra. The skiers and snowboarders love that. The big problem with this storm, though, is we will have very fast, dry desert winds moving through again today. So that enhances how warm and how dry we are. And it also causes a lot of evaporation. So as that rain is moving on shore tonight, it starts to break apart a little bit. Here we are at 2:30 in the morning with that slushy mix of snow for the higher elevations, but the valley really suffering from our infamous rain shadow. So we're now calling for showers instead of accumulating rain. But heading into tomorrow, look at how the top of Breckenridge and Alta Sierra have that stacking snow. So if you're trying to go up there to go skiing or snowboarding, they open at 9, but it may be best to wait until the afternoon hours when the visibility is a little bit better. Heading into tomorrow night, we are drying out and those winds are calming down. As for rain totals, again, because we are suffering from these dry and fast winds, we could possibly only get 1/100th or so here on the valley floor, but down into our southern mountains, about 1/2 inch, 1/10 to 1/4 inch for other mountain locations.
Elena, thank you. That's going to do it for this update. Enjoy your Friday morning.